Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
You're gonna release the hood. Come over here near your footrest and pull that lever to release the hood lock. Pull up on that lever right there. Okay, we're gonna twist these retainers right here. They're gonna pop up. There's a little spring that holds them in place. Just twist them to the left. There's one over here as well. Twist, and then this cover will pull up and pull out, just like that. You can grab the filter, just pull it out. We had some rodent in here, so there's a little bit of debris there, so I'm gonna vacuum it out with a vacuum. Now we're gonna take our new air filter, slide it in. The curved part is gonna be towards the front of the vehicle. Slip it in like that. There's some little tabs under here that go underneath there that hold it in place. We're going to take this cover, slide this back on. Take these clips and just push down and twist. Make sure they're lined up. Lock them in. Just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.